Welcome to RotarySafe. This walkthrough shows you how to set up secure two-factor authentication using nothing but your watch's bezel. It only takes 3 steps: pairing, calibrating, and setting your combination. Let's get started. Step 1. Pairing your devices. On your phone, open Settings and tap Pair or Manage Watch. Your watch will automatically exchange encryption keys with your phone, and a 6-digit code will appear right on the watch face. Take a quick look, confirm it, and you're done. Your devices are now talking over a fully encrypted connection. Step 2. Calibrating the bezel. From that same menu, tap Calibrate Watch Bezel, then rotate it slowly 1 full turn. This teaches the app to recognize your exact hardware, so every turn feels smooth and accurate from here on. Once you finish, you'll see calibration complete. Step 3. Your master combination. Tap Change Combination, then rotate the bezel to enter a 4-digit sequence of your choosing. This pattern is hashed right there on the watch before anything is ever sent anywhere. Your phone never sees it, and neither do we. Only you and your watch know the sequence. And that's it. You're ready to go. Whenever you need a code, open the account on your watch, rotate in your combination, and your one-time code appears instantly, refreshing every 30 seconds. Except this one lives entirely on your wrist. Simple, private, and secure.